What is up, guys? Ryan Rigg, the host of your show, Ryan Vlogs 2. Not the number 2, but TOO, like in addition, like also. Good morning, guys. How are you? It is Wednesday, April 15th. Very significant day. Maybe not as significant for some as it is for me. Some of you guys know I run my own business out of my house. I've been doing that for 2.5 years, coming on 3 years now. So whoop whoop, raise the roof for small business. But I remember years back when I worked a regular job, you know, the end of the calendar year would come, you would get your W-2 sometime in January or February, and you'd race off to file your taxes immediately to get your refund. That's normal. That's pretty typical. For the last few years, I've not been able to do that because I don't have a W-2. I basically get 1099s, and then I have, you know, basically Schedule C, like file a profit and loss, like business statement. So basically I owe taxes every single year. So last year I waited to the very end, like the end of the first week of April, to get them filed and paid. And I will tell you guys, that is where I've been hiding for the last couple of days, getting all my taxes done. I got them the federal and state actually processed and sent yesterday, and they were accepted. And I just left the post office this morning to drop off the checks. So I had to mail 2 checks, one to the IRS and then one to Illinois Department of Revenue. So typical, you know, most states do it that way, where you have 1 check owed to the federal government and 1 check owed to the state government. So I had a few, you know, business expenses, you know, so there's a few things there that help, but nonetheless, I still owe. Hope you guys really enjoyed the day in the life of. I know it's kind of a special day in the life of because it was my birthday when we did that on Saturday. But you guys seem to really enjoy it. The feedback tells me you did. The comments. I know it was a really long day in the life of, but there were so many different segments there, so I wanted to piece them in as best as I can and give you guys everything that I did that day. So I felt like it would be a really good day in the life of. So the other thing I wanted to tell you guys about, or talk to you about, was I just wanted to thank everybody for all the birthday wishes, whether it been comments on other YouTube videos, comments on Twitter or Facebook or Instagram. I have never seen so many happy birthday messages in my life. You guys made me feel so special. You know, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We did the live stream last Friday night, and you guys seemed to really enjoy that. So we'll be working on that. Now that I've got the taxes done and I've got the business all squared away and Uncle Sam's been paid, so now I can get back and focus on work. Because I'll tell you, it's been taxes as a business owner, I mean, probably most other business owners can vouch, it's kind of a stressful time. You know, you owe money, you're trying to get all your paperwork in, you know, you want to make sure, you know, your T's are crossed, your I's are dotted. You want to make sure everything's done correctly. So the year previously I'd used my accountant and CPA firm, and then this year I decided, well, since I waited so long, I'm probably going to have to use TurboTax, and just wanted to try out TurboTax but Business Edition. So to be honest with you guys, using TurboTax was quite simple. Walked me through everything, and it was half the price that my accountant charged me last year to file my taxes. Now, it probably would not have been as easy this year had I not done them with an accountant last year and kind of looked at my old forms to verify, you know, kind of give me an idea what to do. Now, I've got a master's degree in computer science. That doesn't mean that I can automatically navigate any piece of computer software written. I can look at the code and make changes, you know, but to actually use things, TurboTax and tax law and business taxes, business law are completely different. But I'm happy to report that when I filed them yesterday, they were sent and accepted, both at the IRS, which is the federal level, and then at the state level. So I was so happy that they were accepted. So they'll get their payment, you know, today. As long as it postmarked today, it's good to go. So they'll get their payment process set, and I'll be good to go for 2014, which is awesome. Because the other thing, as a business owner, I don't have paycheck stubs. You know, I don't get a paycheck every 2 weeks. So my income's what I make out here, what I earn as a business owner. So for example, when you go to apply for like credit, or, you know, maybe secure financing for a home, or you're trying to get a auto loan, they're going to want to see that my taxes have been filed. They're going to want to go by, like, basically my you know, my main tax form that shows my income. So now that that is secured, any, you know, financing or any special big purchases I may want to make this year, I'm now going to be able to do. For example, like buy a home. If I wanted to finally get rid of that Challenger and buy something else, it's just hard to say. I think right now I'm just focused on probably selling the Challenger, and then just still driving my Toyota while I make a decision whether to, you know, invest in another vehicle, invest in a home, invest in more business opportunities, maybe invest in like a business office, you know, so I could actually have an office where I could have retail like customers come visit. But all of that comes at an expense. So the other thing I want to talk to you guys about, I don't know if any of you have seen it. I started two things we'll talk about. A lot of people have asked for Team Fell shirts, and we have those, and I've had them for months. I don't know if anyone's has seen the website. I'll leave it down in the description, because I know, let me get a vote here by your guys in the comments. Do you guys read the information in the description? Let me know. Some do, some don't. Some don't even know that the description even exists. So that may be why some have not seen. We've had Team Fell shirts for a couple of months, and Gaming for Grandpa. They're at teamfell.spreadshirt.com. So I encourage you guys to check those out. I'm going to be updating the store. There's plenty of stuff there now, so you guys can check that out. And then also, I wanted to talk to you guys about, we're trying to raise money on a GoFundMe account. Basically, we're trying to raise money so we can expand Fast Electronic and Loud. You guys know technology is expensive. I invest a lot of money in this. The problem is when I'm capturing gameplay and then rendering or editing gameplay, I'm kind of frozen because I've got one computer, a MacBook Pro. So to capture and then render, we're kind of stuck. We want to be able to still continue capturing 1080p 60. So having an additional computer would really help out the workload. So, and just some other things I want to expand, like help expand the product line and the apparel line, do some other advertising and giveaways, and all of that is expensive and requires money. So I'm hoping you guys could be awesome like you already have been. Maybe, you know, throw a couple of bucks. We're not asking for a lot of money. Between the subscribers I have, we would only need 5,000 of you subscribers to give $1, and we'll hit our goal of 5,000. So we've got a few people that donated already, about $300. So thank you to those that have donated it. So I'll leave that link below, guys, so you can check out to get t-shirts, or you can check out the GoFundMe if you're interested in helping your boy Ryan Rigg. But today is a good day. I can breathe easy. Taxes are done, filed, paid. Now I can get back to real work. This was kind of like the administrative side of work. So now I can get back to the real side of work, which is just working. That's what I like to do best. So I do a lot of things on camera, which you guys see, you know, with my 3 YouTube channels, but then I do so much off camera that you guys don't see. So I'm excited for this year. I'm excited for all the stuff I can bring to you guys on the channel this year. So I'm really hoping we can hit that target on the GoFundMe campaign. It would really help out, and we could, like I said, I could really take this to the next level, and I just need a little bit of help to do that. So I'm hoping that my loyal fans, all my friends out there, the people that love what we doing over here, love what we are doing over here, could be very supportive. So that's what I had for you guys. I wanted to keep it a short vlog because I know some of you guys are still watching the day in the life of, and it took you an hour. And I know, I apologize, but you guys have made it through it. Some of you have been watching it over the course of a couple days, so you guys are totally awesome for that. So I'll keep today's vlog short, but if I can encourage you guys something, always pay your taxes, pay the tax man, never get yourself into tax trouble. I've never been in tax trouble, I just wait to the last minute for some things. A lot of things I'm a go-getter in life and I just knock it out and get it done. Some other things I like to wait to the very last minute, especially if I'm going to be having to pay a bunch of money in taxes. So, but yeah, guys, I'm excited. Check out the link down below. Order you guys a Team Fell shirt. If you don't want to do that, order yourself Team Fell Nation wristband, $5 shipped anywhere in the U.S. I'm still working on international shipping, so for my international friends that want Team Fell wristbands or Gaming for Grandpa wristbands, don't worry, I'll be getting to you soon. No worries, I'm working something out as we speak. So for those that have sent me messages on Twitter and Facebook, I'm getting back to those. Like I said, guys, it was my birthday weekend. I was real busy with the birthday, and then real busy with business stuff, getting all my taxes squared away. So I haven't forgot about you. I'm getting slowly back to all your messages. So if you send me direct message on Twitter, anything on Facebook, I'm getting back to you. But I really do appreciate all the happy birthday wishes. Check out the links down below. But I am Ryan Rigg, guys, the host of your show, Ryan Vlogs 2, not the number 2. Not like you're going to watch this vlog and leave me a comment and let me know, yes, I read the descriptions, or no, I don't. But TOO, like in addition, like also, if I could, big thumbs up on today's vlog. Happy Wednesday to you guys. And we'll talk to you on another vlog, or see you on a gameplay or live stream or a unboxing or a product review. But thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. We'll see ya.